Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into the exciting world of big data in financial services. We will explore how the massive amounts of data are revolutionizing the finance industry. The transformation of finance happens through data analytics. We will be looking at risk management, fraud detection, and algorithmic trading. Let's begin with an overview. Financial institutions process petabytes of data daily. This data comes from various sources such as transactions, market feeds, and customer interactions. Big data has key applications in real-time transaction monitoring, which helps to detect and prevent fraud. It is also used in predictive risk modeling, market sentiment analysis, and understanding customer behavior insights. Now let's focus on risk management. The traditional approach involves analyzing historical data, generating monthly or quarterly reports, and relying on limited data sources. This often leads to reactive responses. On the other hand, a big data approach enables real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, integration of multiple data streams, and proactive prevention of risks. It gives you more tools to address things as they are happening. Let's take a closer look at how risk data is collected. Here we have an example of a Python risk data pipeline. The code shows how to ingest real-time market data using Kafka. This involves importing pandas and Kafka consumer libraries. It then creates a consumer that subscribes to market data. The data is converted into a data frame, and then the value at risk is calculated. Financial institutions use market data, credit scores, economic indicators, and even social sentiment to assess and manage risks effectively. Next, we'll explore fraud detection systems. Some of the key fraud indicators include unusual transaction patterns, geographic anomalies, velocity-based alerts, and changes in account behavior. Machine learning algorithms such as anomaly detection, neural networks, random forests, and graph analytics are used to identify and prevent fraudulent activities. Let's examine how a real-time fraud detection engine works. Here is an example of an anomaly detection algorithm. The function detect fraud calculates a risk score based on transaction amount and location compared to the user's average spending and usual location. If the risk score exceeds a threshold, in this case 50, the transaction is flagged as potentially fraudulent. These systems achieve high detection rates with fast response times and low false positives. Now let's delve into algorithmic trading systems. These systems rely on various data sources such as market tick data, news sentiment, order book depth, and economic indicators. Algorithmic trading strategies include high-frequency trading, statistical arbitrage, market making, and trend following. Let's see a Python trading strategy example. In this momentum strategy, moving averages are calculated. If the short-term moving average is greater than the long-term moving average, a buy signal is generated. Otherwise, a sell signal is given. These algorithms operate at very high speeds, process billions of dollars daily, and maintain high win rates. Now let's discuss the technology stack. Big data infrastructure often includes Apache Kafka streams, the Hadoop ecosystem, real-time databases, and cloud computing. However, there are key challenges like data privacy compliance, latency requirements, scalability demands, and regulatory oversight. Finally, let's look ahead at the future trends. We can expect increased artificial intelligence integration with advanced machine learning models for predictive analytics and automated decision-making. Quantum computing will bring revolutionary processing power for complex financial modeling and risk calculations. Blockchain analytics will provide transparent and secure transaction monitoring, and edge computing will enable ultra-low latency processing for high-frequency trading and real-time decisions. In conclusion, big data will continue to transform financial services, enabling smarter risk management, faster fraud detection, and more sophisticated trading strategies. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.